Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one is from Dek Designs. I do have a code for them and it is Cricket20 for 20% off. They do have a lot of awesome sales on Hump Day, Happy Mail Wednesday. They've got new releases on Sunday. They have Freebie Friday. So definitely want to get in touch with my IG and my Facebook, PlannerNina_Cricket. That way you know when the sales are going on, and sometimes I gotta have a sneak peek. And look how cute this little sticker is. It says, "Thank you, DekDesigns.com, sending you Boo Bear hugs and Happy Mail kisses." Thought that was really sweet. All right, so you got this beautiful little paper clip. And then let's open it up and see all the goodies that I had ordered. Okay, so first things first, look at Hope. Got this little freebie when you ordered. Is she not beautiful? I love that. I would actually like to have something like that with my name on it. Hint, hint. Just kidding. She's beautiful. Love her. And this was the May freebie. That beautiful foil. And then here is another freebie. If you are friends with Planner Journey by Dek on Facebook, you can put this in notes to seller that you are, and you will get this freebie or a freebie. If you mention Cricket in notes to seller, you will get this freebie, but actually it's going to be a freebie like this, but it'll be different because we have different icons on there now. So you'll be getting that. And then here is Boo Bear freebie that I had gotten. And it's in foil. Look at Boo Bear doing different things. This was the quarantine one you got if you ordered. So cute. All right, now let's get on to the kits. The first kit is Stay Home. It was the free kit for Friday, and it was 6 sheets, silver foil, and you had to have an $18 minimum purchase, and that is after using my code Cricket20 and before shipping and handling. But this kit right here is free, and it came with these planner girls. And then these kits are gorgeous, y'all. Hold on just a second. Show you how much you get in a free kit. Okay, here is the full boxes. And it has a double box here, Disney, cleaning. So, you're sitting there watching Disney, drinking your coffee, playing card games, going to your planner room, practicing social distancing, no one allowed. So cute. So there's your full boxes. And they are done in the silver foil, as you can see. Then on to the quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment boxes, habit trackers, weekend banner, and sidebar, again in silver. Then you have your full heart check boxes, ombre, half heart, your upper corner flags, and your heart check flags. I don't know why I always have trouble saying that. I stumble every time. Then you have your days of the week, your bottom washi, which look at those cute little slippers. So stinking cute with your planner. And then you have some icons. Oh, and then I did, hold on, let me count real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it came with this. And it has the large flags, your scalloped headers, your foiled icons, day offs, full clothes, trash eve, errand, fuel up, laundry, coffee, bow, and then deco. But then I also could do an add-on. They had these add-ons. They had several that you could choose from. Well, y'all know I love their foiled bow add-ons. And I wanted to make sure that I got the right ones to match. So these were an add-on. And that was this whole kit. So you get these 6 sheets for free when you spent $18 or more. Minimum $18. Okay. So the next one I got is called Stylish. It's a vertical deluxe kit, and it's 6 pages, and I got it silver and in the light tone. But here are your planner girls. And then Here are your full boxes. Loving that. I'll see if I can show it to you really good here. It's really cute. Loving the braid, the hair. You know me. I do hair, so. Full boxes. Eyelashes. This is totally me kit. Then here's your quarter boxes, half boxes, sidebar, your weekend banner, and appointment boxes, and habit trackers. Oh, and this kit's called Stylish, by the way. I'm sorry. Your heart shape boxes, full and half, and then your heart flags and your upper flags and bows. Your days of the week, and then look at the bottom washi. I love it. Fingernail polish. Totally awesome. Your headers. And your large flags with your scallop headers, icons, and deco. And then that was that whole kit. Beautiful. Love it. Okay. Then I ordered Important. This is SS Important. And I got them in all 4 colors. So I thought these would be cute in like my PP Weeks or my Hobonichi even. Or even my Erin Condren. So these are the 4 colors that I got. So there are those. And then here I got this kit because my nephew, when he was younger, was totally into Cookie Monster. We even had a Cookie Monster birthday party for him where everybody wore Cookie Monster shirts or whatever. So his birthday is actually this coming Sunday, the 19th, I believe. And I got this because I wanted to use it as a layout, but I might be a little late since I just got this, but it's okay. So here are your full boxes, and this is a 6-sheet deluxe kit. So here are your full boxes and quarter boxes, your star check boxes and flags, and then there's a 1 long strip right here. See, I got this because I thought it would be perfect for like my PP Weeks, because the little checklists are a little bit smaller and the pictures are smaller. Here's your quarter boxes, half boxes. Loving those half boxes. Your sidebar, your weekend banner. Dots down here, another long strip, and habit trackers. And then here is your bottom washies, your dates, your day covers, then your headers, and then look, all of that deco. So cute. My grandbaby's gonna love this too as well. It says, be nice, be the nice kid, dream big, never give up, and always be kind. So that's so sweet. Okay, and that is the last kit that I got. So definitely go check them out. Like I said, they have sales Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So you're not gonna wanna miss them. Go check out PlannerNina_Cricut on Facebook and on Instagram, and make sure you tell them that I sent you so that you can get your foiled freebie. And you're going to want to collect 3 out of the 4 different backgrounds of the exact same month. It'll be different colored foils, it'll be different colored backgrounds, but it has to be of the same month to get you a little credit. All right. I hope that I get to see you back here real soon. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell so that you know when I have another plan with me or sticker haul. All right, I hope y'all have a blessed, safe week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.